Hey guys, welcome to the Arjun channel, and today we're going to cover how to turn your regular phone or high-end phone into an awesome emulation device using just a Bluetooth controller. Now I went for this particular controller because you can also use it for FPS games that I do a lot using this attachment here. It actually, almost like a Joy-Con, just slides off like this. Then you can pop this attachment on. And then you have a regular touchscreen based controller for FPS games and other Android games. But that's not the focus of the video. We're going to cover some emulation, in particular the Nintendo Wii, Nintendo 3DS, and the PS2. So this phone over here is the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has a Snapdragon 855, so it should be able to run all those emulators without a problem. The specs are in front of you in case you're interested. Now, without further ado, let's get into some emulation. So this is The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D running flawlessly on a Snapdragon 855 device. This is a 3DS game, so it's quite awesome that those run even on these types of phones right now. A lot of you guys, since the last video about the Much W1, have said that we want to see some emulation on phones with a Bluetooth controller and stuff like that. Well, yeah, here we are, and this is some high-end emulation on those devices. I'm not going to do some lower-end emulation because most likely, as you guys know, those will run absolutely fine on this setup, so it will beat the purpose. If you want me to cover some lower-end smartphones with Bluetooth controllers, just make sure to let me know in the comments down below, like the video and subscribe to let me know you're interested. Here, this is New Super Mario Bros. For the Nintendo Wii. And as you can see, it runs very well. I have turned on the Vulkan settings, not the OpenGL one. If you want to see a setting video, where I show off my settings and how to set up the Nintendo Wii, 3DS, and PlayStation 2 emulators for the Android, then you can tell me so in the description, and I'll be sure to check it out and maybe upload it in the future, depending on the demand. And this is Sonic Colors for the Nintendo Wii. And this is Super Smash Bros. Brawl for the Nintendo Wii. It's also quite a graphically demanding game, so it's a good way to show off how well this runs on a phone. And this is Zelda the Twilight Princess for the Nintendo Wii as well. Show you the performance in a crowded area. So let's test out some Kingdom Hearts for the PlayStation 2.
Another dream about him.
I guess it's stretched by default. I'm gonna change that later. This is Devil May Cry 3 for the PlayStation 2. See how that runs on the Snapdragon 855.
I can already tell. Looks like this is gonna be one hell of a party.
This is Melty Blood Actress again for the PlayStation 2. It's a fighting game. Now that is it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video.